These two girls were investors. Two investors, two choices. One wanted wealth fast, and the other was very patient. This is the story of Kael and Soren, and the truth about patience in investing. Watch this entire video from Ancient Wealth Hub. My name is Mahad and I make videos. Let's begin this story. Kael and Soren, good friends, sitting in a neon-lit cafe on the aqua green planet Velmora in the Ruboblian galaxy, holding stacks of Rubo coins, the currency of the solar system. Kael was grinning. I found the fastest way to double my Rubo coins. I just need gambling halls and alcohol businesses. Everyone loves them and the profits are absolutely insane. I'll be rich in 1 week. Soren says, slow and steady wins the race, girl. I'm investing in something stable, an ore delivery business. The miners on Gelmor 6 actually need a lot of transport to move their goods to the trading hub. What? An ore delivery business? That's boring. It'll take years to make money. We'll see. I am patient. Kael was actually impatient. She wanted fast returns on her gambling businesses and her alcohol businesses. But Soren, on the other hand, understood that wealth doesn't just appear. It takes time to compound. 1 year later, Kael was celebrating in a high-rise casino. Her investments in gambling and liquor have made her rich. Well, not really. There is a twist. Kael was throwing money around. See, Soren, I made a fortune while you were still loading dusty crates. Soren, in a dusty warehouse, checks the latest shipment of refined ore. Maybe, but my number of delivery ships is growing, getting more customers too. Kael isn't even listening. She's too busy enjoying her fast money. But she didn't see the problems growing underneath the surface. 6 months later, Kael bursts into Soren's warehouse, her clothes messed up and true panic in her eyes. Soren, I really need a loan from you. There's a new tax on gambling halls. My business is failing so badly. Profits are dropping and investors are pulling out. What happened to all of your wealth? I spent it. Reinvesting in more clubs, more liquor. I chased the fast money. Now it's all drying up. No way, sis. How could this happen to me? Meanwhile, demand for my business is rising. My fleet now serves 3 planets. Profits are slow but stable. And next year, I'll own the biggest shipping route in the sector. I should have been patient. Take this, start over. But this time, build and don't be impatient. Kael, now older and wiser, stands behind Soren, watching as massive freighters launch from a bustling spaceport, moving all of the ore for her business. Ore delivery. Who knew something so slow could build an empire? Wealth isn't about speed, Kael. It's about making good decisions and being patient. Okay, the lesson from this story. The impatient chase quick riches. The wise build empires that last. In the end, it's not the fastest who win, but the ones who never stop growing and never stop learning. I hope that video has helped you out and you have learnt the importance of reinvesting and patience and investing into wise businesses and not looking for quick gains. Check out this other video that I have made about a boy who grew his business from just 1 coin to a large fruit business that may even stretch across his whole planet. Watch that video here to learn about that wisdom too.